How to lock YouTube screen while you watch it. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch YouTube application on your device. Now from this home screen, you can easily use search icon at top right corner and search particular video, or simply from this home feed you can open a particular video which you want to log and watch. Once you open the video, you need to tap on the video. Tap your icon at top right corner, and then on the section you will see different option. Simply choose lock screen option, and then you will see that the screen has been locked. In order to unlock, you can easily tap on it, and then the screen has been locked or unlocked. Now you can easily change different kinds of settings and turn it to the portrait mode or the landscape mode using or unlocking the video. So in this way you can easily lock YouTube screen while you watch it. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.